Are we on? Are we? Oh, we're on. Hi, I'm Deadpool, nature survivalist, and I'm in the backwoods of a very, very old ancient civilization. Alright? They are very big, old trees over. Oh crap. Here comes, oh my gosh, here comes a giant beast. Let me fire it off. Die, beast, die. Okay. Oh my gosh, that was a giant grizzly bear. Oh my gosh. That grizzly bear gave me a scare. Alright, I mean, nothing scares Deadpool. That one did. Alright, let's keep walking. Find a fresh source of water. Oh, got what's that? Oh, duck. Uh-oh, my sword got caught on it. Alright, let's keep walking. Let's keep walking. Oh. Alright. I'm fine. I've spent 80 days out here alone. I'm doing fine. No, you're not. You're stupid, man. No, I'm doing fine. Man, you think I'm doing fine? I'm doing fine. I'm sorry. Those were the crazy voices in my head. Alright, Deadpool, you can do this. Somehow. Oh my gosh. Is that a house? Is that... Dude, who wrote the script? There's a house right there. Anyway, as I just saw, there's a house right up here. Let's keep walking. So, I've spent 80 days out here. No food, no water, just scrounging up leaves and berries. Berries for food. No like civilized food or nothing. I ate some bear meat the other day. Ate some venison. Oh man, that's so good. Alright, and then I had some wild pig, some cottonmouth, and I think I had some green grass snake, yeah? That's pretty good. They don't have any tacos out here. I'm gonna die. No, I'm not gonna die. I have a house. Keep walking. Oh. All right. There's something up there by the house. All right, I'm gonna make a run for it. Yeah. Back. Yeah. Wow. Ooh. Ninjas. I just fought some ninjas. More ninjas. All right. Ninjas? Really? This is Deadpool. I can take any ninja. All right. I'm gonna keep walking. 360. 1 second. Okay. Ooh. Never spin right after killing ninjas, okay? It makes you so dizzy. Whew. Man. Whew. That was not nice. So, 80 days, no Francis, no Vanessa, and no life, basically. I am a hermit. But, well, I'm back at my house, so, hey, that was fun. And no, I was not in my backyard the entire time. I was in a very, very old forest that was very old and ancient, okay? Can you hear the voices in my head? I'm kidding. There's no voices in my head. They didn't really say that. That's silly talk. Right? Right? Am I the only one? I'm not the only one. Yeah, I'm sorry, that was very random. Fourth wall break? Inside a fourth wall break? That's like 16 walls. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Ever since that knife went through the middle of my head, I've been out of it, you know? Haven't fully regenerated from that. Well, all for now. Deadpool out.